Explain it like M5. How could a Canadian P-3 aircraft, while flying over the Atlantic Ocean, possibly detect banging noise attributed to a small submersible vessel potentially thousands of feet below the surface? The Lockheed P-3 is an aircraft designed to find and sink submarines. The way they typically operate is that they drop sonar buoys into the ocean over a target area. These buoys record the audio from the ocean while they float on the surface or while sinking to the bottom. These sound recordings are then transmitted back to the P-3 and analyzed. They are able to analyze these data to find any abnormal sounds that is typically not found naturally in the ocean. It is not quite clear what they have been hearing in this case. There are a lot of sounds in the ocean, and even the best sonar operators are not able to fully identify a lot of these sounds.